What's up, everybody? Awkward, anxious Jennifer here. I hope you can hear me over the sounds of the traffic. I am in Iowa. I got out of my therapy appointment at 11, and it was a beautiful day. Not a cloud in the sky, as you can see. So I got on the highway, headed west, and kind of kept going. So I'm almost 2 hours from home. But, you know, as you can see, this is the world's largest truck stop. It's on I-80, just a little bit west of Davenport. I don't know if I'm going to be brave enough to vlog inside. We'll see. Let me see if I can turn around a little bit so you can kind of see what's going on. There's a sign I think you can kind of see over there. And not a whole lot going on that way. So, I'm here. Gonna grab a bite to eat for lunch. We'll see if I vlog inside. I might check in with you later, let you know what I'm doing. I just couldn't resist a nice long drive on a beautiful day. So, anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. What's up, everybody? So I did manage to get a little bit of video of the world's biggest truck stop. I was too self-conscious to talk while filming. At least I got a little bit of footage, which you will see now, probably, depending on how I edit this. Goodness, it was crazy. On top of a whole bunch of shopping where you could get, you know, not just souvenirs and snacks, but there was a whole lot of stuff specifically for truckers, which makes sense. And there was a Wendy's, a Taco Bell, a Pizza Hut, I think a McDonald's, and a Caribou coffee on top of a buffet. And then upstairs they had showers, movie theater for truckers, public washers and dryers, walk-in chiropractor, walk-in dentist. Really cool. Everything that not just the average traveler, but a professional truck driver might need. So, I should start heading home pretty soon. I might check in again later, or I might not, I don't know. But anyway, I'll talk to you all later. Bye.